Dear students, today we will discuss some more problems on linear equations. The question is, father's age is 3 times the sum of ages of his 2 children. After 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of ages of 2 children. Find the age of father. We first assume, let father's age be x and sum of ages of 2 children be y. This is a present age and sum of the present ages. After 5 years, father says will be present age plus 5 years. And sum of ages of 2 children will be y plus 10 years, because there are 2 children and age of each child will increase by 5 years. So it will be y plus 10 years. Y is the sum of present ages of 2 children, and after 5 years the age of each child will increase by 5 years. So in the sum the age will increase by 10 years. Now according to question, father's present age is 3 times the sum of the ages of 2 children. So x is equal to 3 times of sum of ages, and it implies x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Second condition, after 5 years his age will be twice the sum of the ages. So after 5 years father says x plus 5 is equal to twice the sum of ages. So x plus 5 is equal to 2y plus 20, or x minus 2y is equal to 15. This is equation 2. Now solving the two equations from equation 1, x is equal to 3y, we substitute this value of x in the second equation. Value of x in equation 2. So second equation, x minus 2y is equal to 15. So when we substitute x by 3y, it becomes 3y minus 2y is equal to 15, or y is equal to 15. Now From equation 1, x is equal to 3 times of y, thus x is equal to 3 into 15, and thus x is equal to 45. So father says, father's present age is 45 years. In the next question, the students of a class are made to stand in rows. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. If 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. Let number of students in each row be x and number of rows be y. Then total students will be equal to x into y. According to some, if 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. 3 students are extra in a row means in each row x plus 3 students, then there will be 1 row less. The number of rows y minus 1, thus the total students is equal to x into y. This is number of students in each row and number of rows. When multiplied, we get the total students. Second condition, if 3 students are less in a row, that is x minus 3, there would be 2 rows more, y plus 2 equals to xy. Multiplying and opening the brackets, the first equation becomes xy minus x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to xy, implies minus x plus 3y is equal to 3. And second equation, that is xy plus 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to xy, and thus it implies 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is second equation. Now from equation 1, x is equal to 3y minus 3. Substituting this value in the second equation, in equation 2, 3y minus 3 minus 3y is equal to 6. It implies 6y minus 6 minus 3y is equal to 6, which further implies 3y is equal to 12 or y is equal to 4. Putting value of y in equation 2, we have 2x minus 3 into 4 is equal to 6, or 2x is equal to 6 plus 12, that is 18, or x is equal to 9. So we get x, that is number of students in each row, be 9, and number of rows y is equal to 4. The total students in the class, thus total students in the class xy is equal to 9 into 4, and that is 36 students.